Good evening, I'm Wan Shifa, reporting live for KPM Media Corporation. Tonight, which is the 1st of May, here we are in front of Menara 188 Kuantan. Attention is being centered to one of the Pasar Loka event highlights, which is the auto show event. As the event begins at around 9 p.m, visitors have been gathering early to get a closer look at the impressive display. Now joining me, one of the crews for the auto show events, Dane. May I ask you, what are the challenges of this event handling as a crew?
So salah satu cabaran yang kita orang kena handle adalah sebagai contoh seperti mana yang sekarang korang nampak, adalah untuk handle orang ramai, untuk memerhati anak-anak mereka dan tidak masuk ke kawasan-kawasan yang tidak sepatutnya mereka masuk. Sebagai kru, saya juga minat dengan kereta-kereta dan saya juga berminat dengan kehadiran orang ramai di sini untuk melihat kereta-kereta yang ada di Kuantan.
The auto show features a variety of cars ranging from uniquely modified builds to sport models, highlighting both creativity and automotive passion. So here I am with one of the audience for tonight's auto show. So may I ask you, what excites you the most about tonight's auto show?
Saya suka nak tengok kereta malam ni. Nak tengok lah macam enjin-enjin dia, body kit dia macam mana, jenis-jenis kereta. Saya minat lah kereta ni. Nak tengok macam apa dia punya power. Saya nak tengok apa ada tak kereta favourite saya situ.
Beyond just being a showcase, the auto show has also become a meeting point for car enthusiasts, families and visitors who are eager to experience the lively atmosphere. Unfortunately, today's auto show event has been delayed due to the heavy rain and crowd were forced to find shelter. But as the rain stops, the auto show event continued and Kuantan is filled with excitement and engines roaring back. That's all from me, Shifa, KPM Media Corporation. Thank you.